I was a fellow at the United States Holocaust Memorial Museum, and when I was doing research for some dissertation work, I found that maybe 25% of the documents that I was looking at from the French Communist Party were completely in Yiddish. So I basically was like, I can't read these, so I figured I needed to learn Yiddish, and I came to YIVO to do so. I think the highlight of the program for me was sort of the ability to get acclimatized to Yiddish culture and the sort of history that comes along with the language. I really appreciated it in class how we learned about major Yiddish literature figures or how we would sing songs in class. It was really fun, and it helped me both practice the language but also gain a deeper appreciation and understanding of it. It surprised me how quickly the program equipped me to be able to understand Yiddish. It took me maybe 2 weeks to fully be able to read fully at a decent pace in at least phonetically, but now I'm sort of getting to the point where I'm just memorizing vocab and learning how the grammatical structures of the language work.